Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Uzalo. It's been very hectic after Amos and his brother Lasnamba kidnapped Nosipho. Most people were asking themselves if Nosipho will survive or not. Yes, Nosipho will make it. In the true Uzalo action, the rescue mission always involves bullets flying left, right and center, tears, blood and death of some members. If you can remember, Zekhethelo played a vital role in saving Nosipho. She pulled a gun out of nowhere and killed Lasnamba. At the shootout, the family checked on each other to see if each member is still in one piece, but they all forget to check on Zekhethelo, the actually hero. Feeling neglected, Zekhethelo soon pulled the disappearing act to check if her family will go searching as they did with Nosipho. To her surprise, guys, the family realized the following day that Zekhethelo was missing. So she felt she does not belong to the Mhlongo family and decided to move out. If you think she is leaving the show, you better think again. She is not going anywhere. She will move out from the Mhlongo mansion to stay with her stepmom, Mam Lambo, just to get her life back on track. I don't know guys, but what I've heard is that Mangobo is leaving the show. Could that mean Mam Lambo will go back to be with Nkunzi again, or she will marry Pastor Mdletshe? Yes guys, that is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.